ఏడుకొండలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద ఆపద ముక్కులవాడ నాథరక్షక గోవింద గోవింద.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. This segment is about Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. So as soon as we have the darshan of Moolavar, the main deity inside Tirumala, we have another darshan, Gopura darshan. See, on top, the golden color Gopuram, we find Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. Just like how we see the main Venkateshwara Swami, even this Vimana Venkateshwara Swami will be in a standing position with four hands. The two of his hands on the back side will have Sanghu and the Chakram, that is a conch and the Chakra, and the front two hands, one will be in a position called Abhaya Hasta. Abhaya Hasta, which will not exactly resemble the main deity. The main deity will have his palms facing downwards, but Vimana Venkateshwara Swami, his palms will be will be facing upwards in a way it blesses his devotees. The other hand will be resting on his hip. So this is how Vimana Venkateshwara Swami will look like. On his left hand side we can find Anjaneya Swami, Hanuman, and on his right we can find Garuda. The Vimana on top of the main deity, main Venkateshwara Swami inside the temple, inside the Garbhagraha, it is known as Ananda Vimanam in Tamil. Ananda means happiness. So it is fully embellished with gold, with real gold. So the moment we look at that Gopura, we can spread happiness around us. So that is why it is called Ananda Vimanam. And there was a king in the 12th century called as Jatavarman Sundara Pandiyan. So he was the first to renovate this Vimanam. And Veera Singarayar, another king, he was the one who actually donated gold equal to his weight, and this was how the Vimana Venkateshwara Swami, that Gopuram was made. It was made out of the gold donated by the king called Veera Narasimha Rayar. So the Venkateshwara Swami, the Vimana Venkateshwara Swami, is actually Suyambhu. Suyambhu means he was formed by himself. It is not man-made. So Vimana Venkateshwara Swami is not man-made deity. He appeared by himself. And Vyasa Tirthar, Vyasa Rajar, he actually prayed to this Vimana Venkateshwara Swami, and it is said he attained moksha out of praying Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. This happened in the 16th century. But who is this Vyasarayar Tirthar? He is the one who actually laid down the guidelines of how to conduct all the rituals in Tirumala. So all the rituals and all the pujas and all the puraskaras that are conducted in Tirumala are based on the guidelines which are issued by Vyasaraya Tirthar. So there is a Vyasaraya Mandapam also. In the year 1958, this Ananda Vimanam was renovated. So in every Perumal temple, in every Venkateshwara Swami temple, in every Vishnu temple, on the day of Vaikunta Ekadasi, we can see Swargavasal being opened. So Swargavasal is nothing but the door to the heaven. It is being opened. But at that point of time, whenever Surgavasal is open, it is believed that Lord Vishnu faces the northern side and blesses all his devotees. But as far as Vimana Venkateshwara Swami is concerned, it is believed that whoever prays to Vimana Venkateshwara Swami, his prayer is considered equal to having a Surgavasal darshan on a Vaikunta Ekadasi. So that is the power of Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. And in case you want your family to be reunited, to be united again, you can pray to Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. And one more thing it is said, that whenever suppose you forget to pray something due to the crowd and due to very few seconds available in front of the main deity in Tirumala, you can even pray to Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. It is equal to praying to the main deity. So we surrender all our sins while praying to Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. So that is the power of Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. So next time, don't miss praying to Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. Don't miss having his darshan. And you can actually see the Gopuram fully embellished in gold and a silver area, silver arch, which is the identity of Vimana Venkateshwara Swami. So next time, don't miss having his darshan. So this is what I would like to share in my first segment of Stories of the Divine. I hope you liked all this information, and next time I shall meet you with another interesting story. So hope you like it. Keep supporting. Thank you. Om Namo Venkatesaya.